Alright, so here's the big reveal. The xj700X head assembly, valve assembly, 3 coats of paint, gloss black paint, followed by 3 coats of the clear. I'll be using this later to get the cat fur off me. Damn it. Anyway, so here's the bottom. Like I said before, I had this together once with the valves and everything, so this time it was because I got paranoid. Better safe than sorry. Went through, cleaned it really well. Hot soapy bath with Dawn dishwashing soap, followed by Q-tips, pipe cleaners to get down the valve guides, because I don't want to have the liquid sandpaper go through it and ruin all of this work. It was bad enough I just started adding up what I've spent so far. Maybe I should have just not looked. Or maybe I should have kept track of how much time, but this is a labor of love, I suppose. So anyway, well, yeah. So here it is. It's all painted up. Make sure I left those clean right there, so that hopefully I'm thinking that the paint, because it's got to be torqued, I don't want to have any difficulties getting the right torque specs or have it come loose because of the paint. And I still got to take the tape out of there. Same thing. Oh, yeah, forgot one. And because there's a little edge in there. So anyway, what I did is I took a washer that goes in there, put it on the tape, and just cut a circle a little bit bigger. So like I said, all these have been thoroughly cleaned with pipe cleaner, various other things. Oh, and this little hole right here. Oh man, where's that rod? 5mm Allen wrench. But this is the hole drain they're talking about that goes maybe you can see that now, not sure. But anyway, that's where the drain is for your spark plug holes. So I took and cleaned those out as well. Surprisingly, they're pretty dirty actually. One on each end, so the hole goes all the way through. Same thing on this side. Just drop it in there. Give it a quick little turn. Well, actually, a longer rod would be better, but just in case anybody was wondering what they were talking about when they said drain holes, there you go, because I really didn't know what they were talking about. Let's see, let's take a look at the exhaust. You can still see the original exhaust gaskets, but I got new ones on the way as well. And my wrist pins should be coming from Japan or out of customs or quality control on the 1st of March, so hopefully by the 7th of March I'll have them, and we'll proceed with the reassembly. Every day gets closer. Every day I paint something else. So do whatever. I also went and got a proper tap, and because this is a blunt end, it stops. It's not designed to go. I can't think of the actual term for it, but this stops at the bottom of the hole, which obviously your exhaust studs and various other ones that don't go all the way through need to use this type of tap. Where like the ones on the ends here, they go all the way through, so you can use a pointed one, it's no big deal. But I think it's a blunt end or something like that, I believe. Anyway, just wanted to show you where I was at with that. I'm gonna go outside and have a smoke real quick, clean up a few of these little spots here and there, and then proceed to reassemble the valve guides, or the valve themselves. Alright. Well, until I get to the valve cover.